Today I'm going to show you why lawnmower deck spindles fail so fast and what you can do to prevent it. So many lawnmower spindles have a little grease zerk. Sometimes they're right up here on the shaft, sometimes they're on the spindle housing like on this one. But what many people don't know is that on most spindles out there, when you grease this grease zerk, no grease is actually getting to the bearings in the spindle. All the grease is doing is going on the shaft and hopefully keeping the shaft from rusting. So the spindle will have a top bearing right here and a lower bearing right here that rides right in here and right up here in the aluminum or cast iron housing. And then you'll have your pulley up here, and sometimes you'll have a couple spacers. So having sealed bearings means that the only way the bearings can be lubricated is with the grease that is put in the sealed bearing at the factory. So as soon as that grease wears out and gets burnt up, the bearing goes dry, and then you start getting bearing noise, and the bearing wears out much quicker than if you had bearings that were not sealed and could have access to fresh grease. Now over here I have a spindle from a John Deere 777 commercial zero turn, and what you'll notice is these bearings are not sealed. You can see the ball bearing right there. On both sides it's not sealed, and then they have an external seal that they put over it to keep any water out. So that's an ideal setup, but what you can actually do with these residential units that use sealed bearings is you can actually remove the spindle from the mower, take off the top pulley, and then gently tap on the arbor here, and it'll usually pop out pretty easily like that. And then usually the bearing will come off with the arbor or spindle shaft, but sometimes it'll stay in. And then whether you have good bearings and you are able to get this out successfully without damaging them, or if you're replacing the bearings, what you want to do before you put it back together is take a little pick like this one and go to the inside of each bearing in the spindle. Your spindle is going to be like this. You're going to want to take out this seal, and then you're going to want to take out this seal right here on the inside. You want the bearings to seal towards the outside, but you want the inside to be accessible by the grease. So then, like I said, very carefully take a pick and reach right in at the end of the seal, and you want to lift up the seal. So you're going to hold the bearing, keep it from rotating, stick your pick in there. Might take a few tries. You can see we're lifting up the entire seal. So just like that, the entire seal has come off. You can just slide that out, and now there you can see the ball bearings. So now the grease will go right in and lubricate them. And then we'll take the top bearing, and we'll take the side that faces down into the spindle. Same thing, stick the pick in. Try to not poke yourself. And just lift it right off, just like that. And like I said, that side goes down in the spindle, and then the spindle will go right up like that. You'll reinstall all your parts in the way that you took them off. Pulley like that. Make sure the bearings all go in their spots, and then tighten the bolt down here nice and tight. Reinstall your spindle, and your bearing should last for a long time as long as you keep it well greased. So that's a quick tip there to get more life out of your lawnmower deck spindles. Thanks for watching.